Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we're diving into something huge, a critical issue that could honestly save you thousands of dollars and a massive headache. We're talking about one simple mistake, an error that seems so small, but trust me, it can trigger a complete and total system catastrophe. So let me just ask you this straight up. Could one tiny, innocent-looking mix-up completely destroy your air conditioning system? Well, spoiler alert, the answer is a huge, resounding yes. And it all comes down to two new refrigerants that you are going to be seeing a lot more of. And this quote right here, it kind of gets to the heart of it. This isn't just some minor detail for the pros. We are pulling back the curtain on a major risk that most homeowners have no idea about and why you absolutely need to know about it before it's way too late. Okay, let's jump right in. The whole problem boils down to a dangerous mix-up between two refrigerants, R32 and R454B. And, as we're about to see, this is where a seemingly simple shortcut leads straight to absolute disaster. And this, right here, is the trap. You hear them, R32, R454B. They sound so similar, right? The equipment can even look identical. But if you walk away with only one thing today, please let it be this. They are absolutely, positively, 100% not interchangeable. All right, so why is this mix-up so catastrophic? To really get it, we've got to look at what these two chemicals actually are and why they are so fundamentally different. Now, at first glance, this chart looks pretty simple, doesn't it? It's basically screaming, don't mix them. But the why is all about the chemistry. R32 systems are engineered for the very specific pressures and temperatures of that single chemical. But R454B, that's a blend of different chemicals. Putting that blend into an R32 system is like pouring diesel into a regular gasoline engine. The mechanics just can't handle it, the whole thing seizes up, and boom, catastrophic failure. So let's be crystal clear about this term. When engineers label something non-interchangeable, it is not a friendly suggestion. It's a law of physics for that specific machine. It means if you substitute it, you will cause permanent, irreversible damage. There's no gray area here. And that brings us to the moment of truth. What is actually happening inside your AC unit when this mistake goes down? Let's trace this chain reaction from one wrong chemical to a completely dead system. You can see the domino effect plain as day. It all starts with that one mistake. The wrong stuff goes in. Instantly, the compressor, that's the heart of your whole system, is forced to operate in ways it was never, ever designed for. Pressures spike, temperatures go through the roof, critical parts overheat and just fail. And that's it. It's over. The system is completely wrecked. And what does a wrecked system mean in real-world terms? Money. Lots and lots of money. We're not talking about a simple service call. We're talking about the catastrophic cost of replacing the compressor, which is the single most expensive part of your AC, or maybe even the entire unit itself. And it's not just the sticker shock of that first repair bell. Oh no. The consequences keep on coming, and they hit you right where it hurts, your wallet and your warranty. Okay, let's boil this all down. The first 2 points, that's the cause. The refrigerants are not interchangeable, and mixing them destroys the compressor. The last 2 points, that's the painful effect. You are now facing a massive, unexpected bill. And the final kick in the gut, your system's warranty is now totally void, leaving you to foot that entire bill all by yourself. So you see, knowing the difference between R32 and R454B isn't just some boring HVAC trivia. It's about being an informed, smart homeowner. It's that crucial piece of knowledge that protects your home and your bank account from a completely avoidable disaster. So, I'm going to leave you with this final thought. The next time a technician shows up to service your system, you now have the power to ask one simple but incredibly critical question. What refrigerant are you putting in, and is it the exact one my system was built for? Believe me, your wallet will thank you.